Hello there, I'm your host, Mary, once again, and welcome to Random Tales. Okay, so real talk muna tayo today, guys. Let's talk about friendships and connections and friendship falling out. Kasi ang title ng ating episode for today is Friendships That Fade, But It's Not Anyone's Fault. Alam niyo, I remember when I was a little younger than now. Oops, younger. I used to talk to my friends for hours, tipong wala namang topic, kwentuhan lang, words flowing, laughing about nothing, venting about everything, just filling out the space between friends. Makaka-relate sa akin yung mga Gen Z ngayon kasi sobrang usap-usap-usap din sila pag mga kabataan pa talaga. Pero alam niyo yun, yung mga kaibigan na super close natin dati. As in, parang kayo na nga yung endgame sa friendship world. Pero ngayon, well, these days, we send heart emojis, a house life message every few months, or a happy birthday kung maaalala nila. Wala na eh. Di na kayo nag-uusap palagi. Di rin kayo nag-away ha. Walang sabunutan na nangyari. Walang unfollowan na naganap. Pero ayun, bigla na lang, parang nawala sa group chat ng buhay mo. The thing is, there was no actual falling out. Just stop talking to each other. To the point na ini-screenshot mo pa nga yung dating convo nyo para ma-prove sa sarili mo. Uy, close naman kami dati nito ah. Pero ngayon, ni scene, wala. Kahit scene zone. Nga. Funny thing is, hindi mo rin alam kung bakit. Hindi naman kayo nagkatampuhan. Walang shady moment. Pero ayun, ghost town. Siguro busy lang o baka nagka-boyfriend o baka nagka-ML tournament. Life happens, di ba? Relate ka ba? Sa totoo lang, friendship fallouts are normal. Hindi lang siya madalas pinag-uusapan kasi awkward eh. Parang, okay pa ba kami? O paalam na ba to? Real talk, guys. May mga friendship talaga na seasonal. Parang ulam, hindi pang araw-araw. Pero masarap pag habang nandyan. And just because you're not close anymore doesn't mean na hindi naging totoo yung friendship nyo ah. Hindi naman kailangan na dramatic exit para nasabing tapos na. Minsan yung wala nang message is already the goodbye. Ouch. Honestly, I keep wondering, when did the real conversation become so rare ba talaga? Share ko lang isang short story ah. May isang kakilala kasi ako nagkwento sa akin. She said she received a missed call a couple of weeks ago from someone na matagal na niyang hindi nakakausap. Her reaction? Not joy, not panic, just confusion. Like, why is she calling me? Doon niya na-realize, sanay na pala siyang puro text na lang. Yung parang kailangang planado lahat, filtering every interaction. That spontaneous phone call feels almost invasive now. Isn't that sad? Sabi niya ayoko pang sumagot. Nag-text na lang siya at ang sinabi niya ganito. Hey, nakita ko yung call mo. Okay ka lang ba? Ang reply sa kanya ganito. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang marinig ang boses mo. And she didn't know what to say anymore. Ang simple, pero ang bigat. It stayed with me. Yung part na gusto ko lang marinig ang boses mo. It hits hard. I got curious and asked her, why did you stop talking? Sabi niya, hindi ko rin alam. So, ayun na nga. Conversations used to be an act of care, a space for listening, not just responding. Parang nawala na yung art of conversation, no? Ngayon, halos lahat instant. Voice note, IG story, my day, heart react, or thumbs up na lang. Pero kailan ba yung last time na may nakausap ka ng hindi nagmamadali? Yung presence lang talaga, walang multitasking, walang notification na parang umiiwas ka. Dati pag may problema ka, tatawag ka. Ngayon, scene na lang. There's something healing about hearing someone's laughter, not typed as LOL, but real and crackly through the phone. Iba pa rin yung boses, yung halakhak, yung sabay kayong tatahimik, pero okay lang. Minsan hindi mo kailangan ng sagot. Kailangan mo lang ng totoong tao. Isn't that what connection is all about? Some friendships don't end with a bang. No fights, no betrayal, just a slow, quiet silence that stretches and never shrinks back. One day, ma-realize mo, you haven't spoken in months or years. And weirdly, it doesn't hurt at all. It just feels true. And if someone crosses your mind today, listening right now, maybe don't just send a meme or a text message. Maybe call. Kahit hello lang. And maybe it's not too late to reconnect again. No agenda, no performance, just to hear their voice again. And yes, it might feel awkward at first, vulnerable even, or a little inconvenient, but probably worth it. But if ever di talaga sumagot o umiiwas, parang wala nang babalikan, okay lang yan. You already did your part. We move forward, we grow, and we meet new people along the way. Maybe not every friendship is supposed to be forever. Kaya salamat sa pakikinig mga beshi. And this has been your host Mary from Random Tales, reminding you that sometimes, even if we don't talk anymore, it doesn't mean that the friendship was never real. So catch you on our next episode, okay? Don't ghost me. Again, everything is for God's greater glory.